This is just a short clip of the results of the new blizzard that we had last night. It added about 12 inches of snow, and all these cars were uncovered before this new blizzard came through. Interestingly enough, it's so cold that there's no water component to the whole thing, and it's very light, dry, drifting, blowing snow. So with the wind still high, it's blowing all around the place. Just as soon as they clear a path, more blows in it. The dogs hate this stuff. And I guess you can tell from the perspective that it's, again, above my head. You can tell from looking at it compared to the doorway ahead. Walls of snow. It's like living on the ice cap at the North Pole.